Welcome back to MA Luxury Auto, your destination for the most exclusive and detailed insights into the world of premium cars. Today we take a closer look at the Mercedes Maybach, the symbol of ultimate luxury and refinement, a car that represents not just transportation but an entire experience of comfort, prestige, and modern technology. Mercedes Maybach is not just a model, it is a statement of excellence that blends traditional craftsmanship with state-of-the-art innovation to create one of the most respected names in the automotive industry. The Maybach series has always been associated with pure luxury, and the latest models elevate this standard even further. The exterior design is instantly recognizable with its elongated silhouette, signature Maybach grille, chrome accents, and flawless paintwork that adds an aura of elegance and exclusivity. Every detail is crafted with perfection, from the iconic emblem to the smooth aerodynamic lines that showcase not only beauty but also efficiency. Large alloy wheels, premium lighting systems, and carefully sculpted body elements remind you that this car is in a league of its own. Inside the Mercedes Maybach, the story becomes even more impressive. The cabin is designed like a private lounge, offering maximum space, comfort, and a serene environment. You are surrounded by the finest materials including hand-stitched Napa leather, real wood trims, aluminum accents, and customizable ambient lighting that sets the perfect mood. The seats are not just about sitting, they are about experiencing comfort on another level with heating, cooling, and massage functions integrated to ensure every journey feels like a first-class flight. The rear seats are particularly exceptional, designed for executive travel with reclining options, footrests, entertainment screens, and even a refrigerator in some models. Technology is one of the strongest aspects of the Mercedes Maybach. The latest infotainment system includes a high-definition touchscreen, advanced voice control, wireless connectivity, premium audio from Burmester, and multiple entertainment options for both front and rear passengers. Safety features are world-class with intelligent driver assistance systems, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision prevention, 360-degree cameras, and automatic parking functions. Every piece of technology works seamlessly to provide peace of mind while delivering a smooth and confident driving experience. Performance is another area where the Mercedes Maybach shines. Depending on the model variant, you will find powerful engines that combine V8 or V12 configurations with advanced engineering to deliver effortless acceleration and power. Despite its size and luxury, the Maybach moves with grace, offering a smooth ride with adaptive suspension that absorbs every bump and keeps passengers in complete comfort. It is engineered to be quiet, refined, and stable, ensuring that every journey is as enjoyable as possible whether you are driving or being chauffeured. Owning a Mercedes Maybach is not only about driving a luxury car but about entering an elite lifestyle. It is designed for those who demand the best in terms of style, comfort, and performance. Whether used for business, personal travel, or as a symbol of prestige, the Maybach continues to set benchmarks that very few competitors can match. That concludes our deep look into the Mercedes Maybach, covering its reviews, specifications, and features that make it one of the most desired luxury vehicles in the world. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated with more reviews of the world's finest automobiles, make sure to subscribe to MA Luxury Auto and join us for more exclusive content.